Today we're at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. If you love tropical vibes, Magic Kingdom views, and that classic Disney feel, this one might be for you. Let's go explore. We're walking over from the Grand Floridian, so we are about to pass the wedding chapel over here on our left.
That's the wedding chapel.
Yeah.
I'm going there.
This is really the first time that I took this walk and really took in all of the details, so don't mind my excitement and commentary along the way. And we aren't even at the Polynesian yet, just remembering we are walking from the Grand Floridian, so this is technically still Grand Floridian's property here. Officially on Polynesian property, you have the Cove pool, which is located at the new island tower. So it's a new like 0 depth entry, 4-foot 6-inch max depth pool. They also have a Moana themed splash area, hot tub, and views of the Seven Seas Lagoon. And you can see like in the distance here, the newest addition, which is the Island Tower. Brand new Disney Vacation Club Tower, a little more modern in its design compared to the original with the longhouses. You can see it's much taller than the original buildings and gives those rooms some incredible views of the Seven Seas Lagoon and even Magic Kingdom. So you can get theme park view rooms at that tower. And I'm going to be quiet a little bit while we continue our scenic stroll from Grand Floridian through the Polynesian Resort. Coming up on the lava pool, this is the main pool, which features a volcano and a water slide. Great for families, but if you're looking for something quieter, they also have a pool called the Oasis Pool. So that would be the better option in that case.
Great Ceremonial house. That's the lobby. To the here and then the right.
And this is the opposite end of the lava pool where you can enter from the Great Ceremonial House. And right next to this pool is also the kids splash pad. Hopefully you had a good time taking a little scenic walk around the Polynesian Resort at Disney World, and can't wait to show you our next video.